In this video of TechTube, I'm going to show you how to log into your Netspend All Access account. Netspend is a company that provides prepaid cards such as Visa or MasterCards. You can easily make payments online or even withdraw money using the card of Netspend. So if you already have an account of Netspend and if you want to log into it, what you need to do is open up the website of Netspend, which is netspend.com. Once you do, you can see this interface. Now to log into your account, you'll see this login button on the top. Just click onto it and you'll land on this login form. Now firstly type in the username that you created while signing up for Netspend. In the next section, type in the password. In case you don't remember either your password or your username, you can click on these options. So if you have forgotten your username, or you can click on the username link and you can recover your username through the email address that you provided while signing up for Netspend. But if you don't remember your password, you can click on the password link. And to recover your password also, you need to type in your username first and then also your email address. Once you fill in both this information, you can click on login and the details that you entered are correct. You'll be instantly logged in to your Netspend account. So that was a quick video on logging in to your Netspend All Access account. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up and also subscribe to our channel for more daily videos just like this. I'm gonna see you guys in the next video. Thanks for watching.